Goat, Dog, and Cow. Goat, Dog, and Cow were great friends. One day, they went on a journey in a taxi. When they reached the end of their journey, the driver asked them to pay their fares. Cow paid her fare. Dog paid a bit extra because he did not have the correct money. The driver was about to give Dog his change when Goat ran away without paying anything. The driver was very annoyed. He drove away without giving Dog his change. That is why, even today, Dog runs towards a car to peep inside and find the driver who owes him his change. Goat runs away from the sound of a car. She is afraid she will be arrested for not paying her fare. And Cow is not bothered when a car is coming. Cow takes her time crossing the road because she knows she paid her fare in full.